Good morning, students. From today, we are going to learn the moral science, that means value education, for the term 2. It will start from lesson 8 to 12. 1 to 7 we have done for the midterm exam. So, the rest part will 8 to 12 will be for your annual exam. So, to begin with lesson 8, listen to the Lord. Here, it is a story about a man who was sleeping in a cabin, and suddenly the room was filled with the light, and a Lord appeared in front of him and told him to do a work. That means he assigned a work to him to push the rock. The man was so happy and he started toiled. Toil means mehnat se, to push that rock from sun up to sundown, means subah se sham tak ki. But unfortunately, for doing so many days, he was not able to push that rock a inch. And finally, he became sad. And at that moment, the adversary, Satan, means a negative thought came in his mind that whatever he has done, it is of no use, and he became disappointed. So finally, he thought that now he is going to say to Lord that what I have done wrong, that I have not able to push this rock a inch, and he became so sad. So he begged in front of the Lord and said that I failed to do the work which you have assigned to me. I tried to do with full strength, but I failed. So the Lord said, no, my dear, you are not failed. You have done your work. I just told you to push. It made and you have done, and with that, your body has become strong and your willpower has become strong. So now you appears to and seems to be a strong man. So don't be disappointed and be happy. So this lesson teaches you about a push, which is the work assigned by the Lord, which has a meaning P for pray until something happens. So whenever you are doing something, you should have a push in your work, so that means it shows that you have done the work efficiently. So this is about the lesson. Read and go through the lesson. The question answer I will send it in the PDF with the exercise. The part which you have to do is the oral part, and the G part where a situation is being described and you have to write down in your own words. Other exercises I will send you in the PDF. Thank you.